The smell can be described as something between dirty feet and Okay folks, so today what we're working on is solving the stinky car problem. You've probably heard of it or seen it before. Everyone seems to have the same problem with their new 3 or Y. It's the fact that the car gets stanky when using the climate control, the air conditioner. What I heard from a Tesla service guy was that the condenser for the air conditioner is right next to the filters. So what happens is they get wet, and of course then they get probably moldy or gross, and then they just start to stink.
If God was a city planner, he would not put a playground next to a sewage system.
It's just horrible. So I ordered the Abstract Ocean activated carbon filters. They're $50 for the 2. There's 2 small filters in the 3 and the Y, and apparently they're pretty good, but we'll see. It's more than a basic install. There are some parts of the car that have to come off, so we'll see how that goes. The spot where the filters are is under there, so that bottom panel has to come off. That's up there, and that side one too. So this is how they come in the box. You get there's 1 filter and 2 filters, and they also give you the tools that you'll need. Okay, so I need to remove that there, another one here, here, and here. So let me pop those off and we'll go from there. We got a very small tipped screwdriver here. It looks like there's a hole right there. And I'm betting if I push on that and try and remove this, no, absolutely did not work. Pretty sure that was gonna be it. Okay, so you just pull on it and it comes out. And then apparently what's next is to remove this panel right here on the side. And apparently you just pull on it, yeah, just like that. And just kind of work your hand around. Oh yeah, there it comes. Keep coming. It is a little bit, yep, a little firm. This is all very terrifying, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, panel is off. That's what that looks like. Put that over here somewhere with all the other car parts that I hope go back together. So I believe we are looking for this one right here. Removing this screw, we'll take off this cover right here, and in here we'll have both filters, one stacked like this and one below it. They're kind of stacked on top of each other. So let's get that screw undone and see if that panel can come off. Okay, that's off. Oh yeah. Okay, so once you remove that panel, we're finally there. And you can see there's a tab here and a tab here. Yeah, so this is for the bottom one, this is for the top. Oh yeah, slide that right on out. Not bad. Wow, that is disgusting. Look in there. To be clear, I got the car November 2020. It is now January 1st, 2022. So this is what you shouldn't do. But hey, you know what? This is a sacrifice I make for you people to show you how hard it is to actually kill one of these cars. And then number 2, this tab is gonna lift and pull them straight out. Cool. Yep. Oh yeah, that is not any better. That is disgusting. All right, well, that's why we're doing this. That's why we're here. Now, we just need to slide in the new ones. As I understand it, we want they come like a blue side like this. We want the blue side towards us to slide in that way. They do have these tabs on them again so that you can get them out. So there's really only one way they go in. So it's not really that hard to figure out. So let's just wiggle jiggle. I'm gonna hold on to that tab just so I don't lose this thing. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, that slid right in there nicely. Second filter. You can hear those little carbon pellets or balls, whatever they're in there. You can kind of see them too. Slide in the next one right on top. And that's it. I was actually pretty terrified to do this. I'm not really that handy when it comes to cars and taking stuff apart, but I have to say, well, I will see how it gets back together, but I have to say, to this point, it has been very, very easy. So I'm going to fold that guy up, a little tab, stick it in there maybe a little bit. Yeah, I'll do it when I put up this cover. So put the cover back on and see how this goes. Oh yeah. So at the top of this, there's this little notch, and that needs to slide. That needs to slide up and in first. I could just feel that. Yeah. So once you get it, you can really tell when it's in. It feels good. We'll get this screw back on. Be very careful you don't drop this little guy down there, because God knows where it would go if you did. Watch me drop it now. That'll be great. It's like a quarter turn at a time, but we're getting there. I can't imagine if you were left-handed, this would be any easier. Here's the panel. I'm gonna start in the opposite direction that it came off. Yeah, it feels really good. Okay, that's that. Kind of flimsy back here. It was that way when I started, so I know that's good. We will plug these back in. It's super hard to see under here with very little light. I mean, it's definitely, you know, it's not hard. It's just finicky, I think is the right word. You gotta just get it. Yeah, I'd say finicky is definitely the word for this job. Okay, so all 4 pins are back in, and that's it. So that's it. I'd say that took about 30 minutes, maybe not even. Overall, I'd say it's very easy. I'll let you guys know in future videos how the car smells, hopefully a lot better. These filters are disgusting. Like, normally I would have changed these, but on a typical car, it's like you go get an oil change. Yeah, whenever you're ready, you get one done. So never going for oil changes. So I did definitely kind of just let this lapse. So it is moderately ridiculous that it's this hard to access the air filter, but I mean, this is what you have to do every single time you want to change it. So I'm not sure what they recommend on these for how long they can go before they need to be changed, but it's probably less than 13 or 14 months like I did. But yeah, check them out. I don't get anything from these people. I don't get anything from any people. The price seemed right, so I'm gonna give them a shot, and if they're no good, I'll try a different one next time, but they seem nice, and we'll see how it works. Well, thanks for watching. I hope somebody finds this useful. If you are a little bit nervous about doing this, I would say don't be. Honestly, it's pretty easy. Give it a shot. Hopefully it's gonna be worth it, and hopefully this car stops smelling like stank. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Still kind of stinks to me.